Hello fellow gamers, I am thrilled to share some exciting updates on the game development progress. Last time, I added a cool new feature that allows the character to teleport between different parts of the game world. This week, I'm focused on adding weapons to the game. I started with the sword and worked on implementing it so that the character starts the game unarmed and has to find a weapon to equip first. This involved modifying the code to allow for weapon pickups and creating spawning systems for weapons. I also added a unique animation for the sword and made sure it has a satisfying feel when the player swings it. After that, I moved on to creating a bow and arrow system. This was one of the most fun parts of game development for me because it involved adding a lot of structure and systems to my project. I created arrow logic that allowed for easy modification. I also created a particle effect for when the arrow hits a target, which adds to the overall game experience, I think. Then I implemented the bow itself and made sure that the player can actually shoot arrows with it. The arrow moves in a straight line, so there's a chance that if the target moves, the arrow's gonna miss. I used the bow and arrow system and I created a fireball spell using logic from the arrow code and modified it so that the fireball moves more slowly and tracks targets so you cannot miss. I also added the same particle effect for when the fireball hits a target, but like 3 times bigger, which looks more awesome. Plus, you gotta have particle effects if you're gonna add a fireball. Then I worked on improving the game's saving system a little bit. Now the game remembers what weapon the character is holding and ensures that the weapons respawn after they're picked up. This is important for the game now because I haven't yet implemented an inventory system, so this is the best I can do for the moment. I plan on adding more weapons to the game, like daggers and clubs like I said last time. I'm also working on implementing a character leveling system that will allow the players to increase their stats with the levels. I feel like this is going to add depth to the gameplay along with a sense of progression that I feel like this game really needs. I am having a blast developing this game and I cannot wait to share more updates with you. Subscribe for more. Wish me luck!